Welcome back guys, and if you are seeing ads, many ads on your Android phone, then if you do not want to see those ads and you want to block those ads without any third party app on any Android phone, you have to do only two things I am going to tell in this video. So if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just first thing what I wanted to tell you is go to the settings, then go to the Google. As soon as we'll then go to the ads, and here delete advertising ID, just select it and delete it. So this was the first thing. Second, go back, then go to the setting. Now search for DNS, or in MI mobile you can also find it connections, and then private DNS. Here just change it to DNS dot ADGUA DNS DNS.adcard.com. Save it. After doing these two things, you will not see ads. So just try it, and if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.